to see how to fix Windows stuck on update. So first we need to go to settings. Yes, in this left top you can see the system is tab. Need to click the system and scroll down. You can see troubleshoot is tab. Click the troubleshoot settings and go to other troubleshoot settings. In this you have seen the Windows update settings tab. Yes, right side run is that, click run and it will automatically troubleshoot and asking some questions. You need to tell what are the issues. Then next method you need to go to CMD, run as administrative, and you need to type the following words: sfc space slash scan now. Yes, just type it and click enter, and it's scanning the entire files and folders in your system. So it take a little time, to be patient. After completing this, the next DISM slash online slash cleanup image slash restore health is that you need to click. Yes, after writing this, click enter and wait for a couple of times. Be patient, the process will take some times. Yes, once it started scanning, you need to take 5 to 10 minutes. Once it's completed, you need to exit it. Yes, it's successfully completed. You need to exit it. Yes, after next method, you need to go to settings and go to system settings and scroll down, and you have a recovery option is that. You need to click the recovery option and you need to click the reinstall now. Yes, if your Windows update, you need to reinstall the previous version, you can click this and check it. And after the next method, you need to go to CMD and go to run as administrative. The following text you need to write and click enter. Yes, so the Windows update service is stopped right now. Then after you need to put second, let's stop bits. Yes, after you need to put a third. Yes, and once it's completed, go to fourth step and software institution.old. And after completing, you need to again start the update. So give this command. Yes, the window update service is started, and next we need to start the bits. So yes, once it's completed, you need to exit. Yes, then after the next and final step is go to system settings and go to recovery, and in this you can see the reset the PC is that. You need to click reset the PC and it's ask keep my files or remove everything. You can go with your decision, and you need to reset your PC. Yes, yes, and click reset now. So once you reset, it will reset your entire system and make your